Yes, so this is We4We TV reporting live and direct from Owerri, Imo State. We're over here by an undisclosed hospital, and over here we have our brother that's recovering from an attack earlier today. He was attacked by some Fulani guys here in Owerri as he tried to stop them from robbing them. And this one no be easy to know. So some people are feeling like you cannot be a stranger in your own home. People just cannot come and just attack you like that in your home. Because when they walk in, we know how you feel right now. Let the world know you're live right now on We4We TV worldwide. Please let the world know. You know what, Hagi?
My name is
Promise, oh yeah? Anele. Alright, correct. Because ndegi na ha no logwa now. Onye no akari gi aha ogene kwa. Okay, he ondeke go kwa. Onye ke gwa no. Obioma nwa mama. Okay, one day biko ndị mmadụ na-ele aka gị megodo aka gị otu ama m na o nyere nsogbu imove aka gị. Hi, that's so biko jide ya support ya ka ghara a problem for you. Biko gwa anyị wedata aka gị na it's okay now. Just gwa anyị, let the world know what happened to you earlier. I didn't hear mere gị. Okay.
We are trying to stop some Fulani men that's trying to rob us. So we now confronted them. So
No, the people couldn't hear you well. You said that again.
they are trying to rob us. They are trying to rob from us. So we now decide to confront them. So at the process, they now caught me.
Oh my God.
So that's what happened.
Oh, sorry about that. So now, this thing will happen. They always attack our people before for this area. Or not the first time had you witnessed anything like that before?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah? Now wow. So right now, as they attack you, what did you do? Police and other people, what did happen?
They didn't do anything. We didn't call the police. They are the one that will go and call the police so that they are start arresting us.
Oh, wait. Now them attack you,
Yes.
caught you now with knife,
Yes.
and now them still go call police for you.
Yes. Because we beat one of them.
Okay, so as they attacked you, you retaliated, and now police came after you.
Yes.
Jesus. Can the police in Haboro?
Iron Gate.
The Iron Gate. So, but okay, Iron Gate, okay, since you were a victim, that you were the one that was attacked and cut. Did they try to say, okay, show us the people where attack you? So they didn't try to arrest the Fulani guys.
No, they didn't try.
They just went after the Igbo guys.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Because they said that they were being because you guys retaliated.
Yes.
This is insane. So after they called them up, what happened then? They started trying to arrest your guys, or they arrested some?
Arresting everybody.
They arrested your people.
Yes. Young guys in the street.
So everybody they saw in the street, they arrested them.
Yes.
This is crazy. Oh my God. We need to find. So right now, as we're speaking, some of your people are in custody, police custody.
Yes, sir.
This is so sad. All right, no problem. So can you tell us where this incident happened?
From 7 Christchurch Owerri.
For Christchurch area.
Yeah.
Okay, what kind of business are you engaged in? What do they do?
Printing.
Printing.
I'm a printer. Yes.
Oh, you're a printer. So they tried to rob your printing equipment.
Yes, sir.
Ha. Wow, nah, this is just so sad. So can I get me with the now? As on a fight now, this your the police I can help are they going to help pay your hospital bills in the police?
Don't think so.
Oh, wow, this is crazy. Okay, so now people are wondering all over the world, because since we've been here, we saw a few people come to visit you, your good friends. They are showing you some love and solidarity. and that's a good thing. So now, within the streets, I think you guys can find ways to organize yourselves and defend yourself, because basically, if it's your business, you have to be able to stand your ground. Nobody should be able to make you a stranger in your own home. You guys should be able to, when people try to attack you, you should be able to rebuff the attack, or at least hit them back in defense. So right now, the way the police just came up and they started arresting your people for retaliating or for defending yourself, are you concerned that in the future it might make the people not want to defend themselves when such Fulani attacks happen again?
Yes, they add that the policemen too. Some people will be afraid of defending themselves.
Oh, wow. So basically, people are saying the policemen are supposed to take no sides. They're supposed to be neutral and arrest the perpetrators. Instead, they're coming after the victims.
Yes.
This is just crazy. But anyway, once again, this is We4We TV, and we're here with our brother. Your name again, sir?
Promise.
Huh?
Promise Anele.
Okay, Promise Anele. He's a victim of a Fulani attack earlier this morning. His hand is badly cut and is swollen up. So, and we're right here with his friends over here at the hospital, and try to make sure things go the way they're supposed to go. And then this is We4We TV, and we're doing our best to bring the best coverage around the world, wherever it happens, when it happens, rough, rugged, and raw. So this gentleman needs your help wherever you are. His hospital bill is going to be so high, and the government don't care. There's no universal health care in Nigeria. Everybody caters for their own health. Nobody is paying for him. So find ways to reach out to this young man wherever you are. See what you can do to help him with his hospital bills, and also find ways to empower them so that they can defend themselves better while in the streets. So once again, We4We TV, reach out to us and then see how you can help support this young man. His hospital bills, he's going to be out of work for days and months possibly because of this horrendous attack. So he's going to need ways to survive. He needs some income. So whatever you guys can, do your best to help out so the young man can, forge ahead, and to encourage the other guys out there so they don't get scared when they have to defend themselves. Once again, We4We TV, and we out.